Kasorkar Jylla kan sa Wanrah ka Kaiphod, Jong ka Judicial Inquiry Commission, halor ka jingsya penyap unong yalam barim kaseng hinyaw trep National Liberation Council uba Chesterfield Tangkiw, hakas ngi baning kong Jong ka Dorbar Senrai, hayeng Dorbar Thawain ka Jylla kabanlong na do kanday tarik unay lur. Usimbot Menteri Rangba ka Jylla uba Preston Tensong ulaong baon Wanrah ningkong ka Kaiphod Jong ka Inquiry Commission, haka Dorbar bat nangta on sayatay halor ki kam ki bedey bat ki pajba. Ukintu ya ki pajba bakin yay up, bat ong baka Judicial Inquiry Commission bat ka Inquiry Committee kaya pair. Ya ka commission lakadew da kaan haringkat ki kendon.
The Inquiry Commission report has to be first of all placed on the table of the House, and thereafter from that very day itself it will become a public property. It will be in the public domain. So I told them, please wait, because the autumn session will start from 9th of September, and BAC next week we will sit down, we will work out the business of the session. It is confirmed that the session will start from the 9th, and on that very same day itself the report will be placed on the table of the House.
Hadian baladon ka jingkiw dor jong ki